Hi guys, welcome to Gadget Bridge. This is Sulabh, and again, first things first, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, press that subscribe button followed by the bell icon. Today is a day of a unique unboxing. Yes, why is it unique? Because Honor has sent us a unique box to unbox. So let's go ahead and check the contents out in this unique box. Alright guys, so this is the unique box that has been sent to us by Honor. On the top it says Honor 20 series, you deserve better. Of course it's going to be an Honor device inside. So I'm going to unbox the first box, and inside we get to see the actual box of the device. Let me just quickly bring it out of this bubble wrapping, and here you get to see it says break it up because you deserve better. Also inside this first layer you get a unique hammer. Yep, it's a unique hammer. So I'm just gonna keep this box aside and let's start breaking it up. I guess I have to hit it harder. Inside you get an Honor 20 device. So let me just bring that out. Right, so as you can see inside that unique box we got the Honor 20i. Let me just open this thing up for you and show you the contents that you get inside the box. First thing inside is the Honor 20i smartphone. I'm gonna turn it on and bring it back in like just a minute, and I'll take you through its aesthetics and technical specifications too. Till then, let's go ahead and see the rest of the contents you get inside the box of the Honor 20i. So the second layer inside fetches the SIM ejector tool, Huawei warranty card, a quick start guide, and of course a clear case. And the last layer inside the box, of course, a couple of stickers, has the charger, and you get a USB to micro USB charging cable as well. So that's about it. Those are the contents of the box that you get inside the Honor 20i. You're watching the unboxing of Honor 20i, and I'll bring back that phone and show you what it is made of. Right, so I've just started off the Honor 20i. It is the cheapest of the three Honors in the 20 segment launched in India. The first one is the Honor 20 Pro, the second one is the Honor 20, and this is the cheapest sibling of the three called the Honor 20i. Let's quickly talk about its aesthetics. The front is dominated by a 6.21 inch screen. It has a notch on top, which is why the speaker grill has also been pushed towards the top. It is almost edge to edge. You do see a little bit of chin area at the bottom, but nothing too much to worry about. Overall, the screen to body ratio is pretty minimal. Talking further about the aesthetics, you get the volume rocker keys on the right side as well as the power button here. On the left side there is nothing, absolutely nothing, it's all blank. On top you get the SIM tray with the secondary microphone, and at the bottom you get a 3.5mm audio port with the primary mic, micro USB port at the bottom, as well as a single speaker grill. That's a loudspeaker. At the back you get a fingerprint reader, a triple rear camera setup with an LED flash. Of course, like all flagship Honor devices or higher end, mid to higher end Honor devices, this one also has AI functions in its camera. Honor branding can also be seen at the back. The color that we are holding in our hand is called Phantom Blue. It is available in three colors: the black, which is the midnight black, and of course the Phantom Red. So overall the device seems to be pretty decent to hold in the hand. It's not looking like that I'll drop it or it'll slip out of the hand. It's pretty decent. Glass front and plastic back, definitely. Nice overall feel of the device. So let me quickly take you through the technical specifications, after which I will show you the camera shots as well. Now to talk about the Honor 20i's technical specification, let me start by the screen size. It's got a 6.21 inch screen with a 1080 by 2340 pixels display. This is HD plus display on it, and inside it comes with a Kirin 710 chipset. This is an octa-core chipset which has 4 cores running at 2.2 GHz and the next 4 cores running at 1.7 GHz. As far as the RAM and storage combination is concerned, this smartphone has 4 gigs of RAM and has 128 GB of ROM. Basically that's the memory, that's the storage. And then it supports a micro SD card which will expand the memory quite a bit. Talking about the operating system on the Honor 20i, it has the Android 9 Pie with EMUI 9 on top of it. As far as its battery is concerned, it's got 3400 mAh, which is pretty decent for a price bracket that this smartphone comes in. To talk about the price, it is available at 14,999 in the Indian market. Now moving on to its cameras, it's got a 24 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel rear camera array, and the front camera, which is inside the notch, has a 32 megapixel sensor inside. If you love selfies, this should be the icing on the cake. Now to talk further about the 32 megapixel camera in the front, it's got a lot of good modes on it as well, like sky, greenery, flower, night. So if you are a selfie enthusiast, you might want to pick this one up because of its selfie mode. The fingerprint scanner at the back is working really well. We did try it for a little while and it did not lag at all. In fact, as soon as we tapped it, it did come alive. To talk a little bit more about its operating system, since it's got EMUI on top of it, we were a little skeptical that it's going to be a little laggy, but to our amazement, even with 4 gigs of RAM, this is pretty smooth. Everything is opening up very quickly. However, we do see a lot of bloatware on this device. It hasn't got a separate app drawer. However, everything on the home screen is crisp and looks good. So that sums up the operating system and the technical specifications of the device. Let me go ahead and pop open those cameras and show you those camera shots indoors in well-lit conditions. Alright guys, so if you did like this unique unboxing by us, do subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon. Also share this video with your families and friends, and don't forget to comment in the comment section below. We do keep doing a giveaway here and there on our Instagram page as well as our Twitter page. Why don't you go and follow us there as well. This is Sulabh signing off for Gadget Bridge. I'll see you next time.